Welcome, guys. Many people have been asking about the change of character. I'm here as Rescue for FX channel. We are discussing about the change of character. We call it in other terms of smart money concept, that is the coach. This is our part number 9, guys. Let me meet after the disclaimer every time. Welcome, guys. That is fantastic, guys. That is amazing. That is amazing, actually. That is amazing. That is amazing. The key point is what is change of character? That is what we are asking. Many people does not understand what is change of character. You hear people quoting about change of character. You go there, change of a coach. You hear it is a very complicated. SMC is simple. It's just reading, being focused. So let's enter in what is our aim. In Forex trading, the term coach refers to a sudden change in the behavior of direction of the currency pair price action. Price action is the way the market moves. What is there in the chart right that time. So the coach is the change. Let's say you are going to Nairobi. You change your direction going to Kisumu. You are going to America. You change your direction going from America. You start going from the east side, from the Japan, right? The change of character. So the market moves in a direction, all right? We know the market direction, how to identify the market structure. It is uptrend or downtrend. Let's say that it is an uptrend. So it reaches a point and it changes. We are not going for the bullish, we are going for bearish. That is the change of the character, the coach. So it's not that complicated. So it refers to a sudden change in behavior of direction of currency price action. The change can identify by breaking the previous highs or lows. Levels indicate a shift in the market sentiment. We call it even the market shift. The market shift, change of character is all the same. Let us an example. For example, if a currency pair has been steadily rising in a price and then suddenly drops, breaks its previous highs, this could be considered as a coach. It has been going up, it comes down, it breaks its lows. That is change of a character. This could mean that the uptrend has ended and the market is now moving in a direction. Traders may use the information to adjust their trend strategy. So your strategy saying that is you are buying, but whenever there is a change of a character, you can go down, you can go short. That's amazing. So let's talk more. It is important to remember that coach is just an aspect of forex trading and should not be relied on completely. That factor, such as economical data release, geopolitical event also play a role in the market. It is best to use a comprehensive trading strategy that takes multiple factors into an account rather than relying on coach. You cannot be trading coach only. You need to visit some website like Forex Factory, where you look at economic data. You go to website like there is many. There is Daily FX, there is FS Street, but me I use Forex Factory. There's Baby Pips, but for me I use there is a Forex Factory. So for you to gain more about the coach, I will take you through now the example, now the technical way of it. Let me take you there to the thing. So in summary, understanding the concept of coach can be useful tool for forex trader, but it is important to use it in conjunction with other factors to make informed trading sections. So for the coach to make the important thing, you need to combine it with other things. You need to combine with other things. What are other things? Other things are liquidity, market structure, order flow. There are many things. Fair value gaps, imbalance, balance, inducement. So there are many things that you should combine with it. So at the end of this playlist, you will be able to have your own smart money concept trader. So keep watching every time, keep watching, do not lose hope. Watch today, watch tomorrow, keep watching the videos. So having these, you will notify when there is a change of a character. You will combine where is a demand zone, where is a supply zone. That amazing. Let's move to the techniques of guys. So keep watching, trade like a master every time, trade the way it is supposed to be traded. Do not trade like whatever without being informed. You need to be fully informed. Do not trade your real money without being informed. That is my disclaimer every day. Let's go down. Is that amazing? Let's go to an example. A bullish change of character. That is amazing. So let's illustrate what is being illustrated here, guys. So it has been moving up, moving up, moving up. Suddenly, there is a break of this high low, and this makes a break of a change of character. After the change of a character, it retests that point, then it gives you a shot. Amazing. You know, you are there, you are watching videos which are not clear. This is a clear video that's showing you a straightforward coach. This is how do we learn. That is a way of learning. It's not coming watching a one video minute showing market structure. No, this is identify. It shows you this is an uptrend, a clear uptrend. It is breaking the structure. So a change of a character, it breaks this high low here, and it retests. You take. Actually, your take profit will be here. That amazing, guys. That amazing. If this video is beneficial to you, just share it to your video, share it to your friends, others, subscribe for more, and learn more. Let's look to another example. Bearish change of character. Bearish is where it is moving downward. So what is the meaning of this, guys? Let's take illustrations. Let's look what is happening here. So the market is moving down. It's moving down. It is moving down. So it is going breaking the lows to show and signify that the market is on downtrend. But all of us at the Sunday, it breaks this low, the previous low high. When it breaks it, then it retests. It goes what? Low. That amazing. So that is how the coach is. What is the coach? There is a sudden change of the direction of the market. Then it retests it. You take what? A low. That amazing. Let's go to the chart. In the chart so that you can understand. I want you to be a professional trader who understands something. So let's go inside and look at it very well. It's amazing. That is amazing, guys. There is even a complex change of a character. A complex. This is now in a low time frame. Things are very complex. So in a low time frame, let's say in 1 hour, so that the other one they were around 4 hours. In a 4 hour, it is very simple. But in a lower time frames, you need now to know it very well. That is change of coach. So it is a bit of complicated, but I am here for you to make it simple. So let's look. So it is making like that windrow. So this is how the complexity is, because it is there are many candlesticks. So there is a lot of structure. So when we break this high low here, we come, we retest, we take it. That is change of our character. An uptrend, it changes to downtrend. That amazing, guys. So we trade sharp, we trade wisely every time. Let's move to illustration of a chart. Amazing. How we let look in the chart. So let's keep watching. Let's make it more clear. I'm making it more clear. So in the chart, this is how it is. It is forming. This is a low high, there is low high, there is low high, low high. That is how it forms actually. When it breaks this low high, it start forming low. So here is your point of change of character. Confirmed a valid change of a character. We can draw it a change of character or a market shift. Amazing, guys. Tick. That right. You enter trade, stop loss, TP at this range. That amazing. Let's go to another example. That is an uptrend. Yes, amazing. This is an uptrend change of character. So it is moving like this. The market structure is going making up. It is making high, low, high, low, high, low. All over the sudden, there is a change of direction and or a change of a character coach or a market shift, and it start making high, low, high. That is how we learn Forex, and that is how we are making money right now, guys. I lost almost a lot of trade the first year. This is my second year trading. I'm making it. I am telling you the real thing. I was broke, but knowing this, I have been able to make a lot of money. I have not actually make it, but I'm on a way of making it. So join me. Let's make our lives. Let's make our future right now when we are young, guys. Do not waste money. Do not waste your time watching unvalid videos. Imagine a young person, 22 years, 21 years, staying in TikTok, watching what videos. They are not making any sense. You are staying there TikTok, you are looking people dancing, you are broke, you don't have money, you want to make money when you are young, and you can't concentrate in this less than 10 minutes to learn and change your future. So you need to learn, guys. Let try this thing. It is changing people's lives. Me being one of them, guys. So let enter there. Let trade wisely every time, guys. I have made the video long, but about that you have understand what is about the market coach. That amazing, that fantastic every time. Let meet the next time with order flow every time, guys. Peace.